Welcome to our channel, The Fitness Hustle, where we're going to discuss and share with you about sports, health, diet and related topics. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel and get to know when we upload new videos. So today we are going to discuss about energy system that produce energy by utilizing ATP from the body system. ATP is known as adenosine triphosphate, where the energy is stored inside the phosphate bonds. We will discuss about ATP in our further videos. Energy is produced by a process called the cellular respiration. Energy production may be aerobic or anaerobic. Depending upon this, we can classify the system into three: the ATP-PC, the glycolytic, and the oxidative system. The ATP-PC system is an immediate source of energy system in which ATP is taken from the skeletal muscles and using this ATP to release energy. Later, the system will use creatine phosphate to produce ATP and creatine. This produced ATP is stored back inside the skeletal muscles. The rate limiting factor depends upon the creatine phosphate, which is why the athletes use certain supplements. So what do you think about this? Let us know in the comments. For a sprint runner, it will take nearly 8 to 10 seconds to cover 100 meters by the ATP-PC system. 2 moles of ATP are used and later 2 moles of ATP are reproduced back and stored inside the muscles. The glycolytic system. This is a 10 enzyme stage catalyst system in which one molecule of glucose gets broken down into 3 carbon compounds. This system will take place inside the cytoplasm of the cell. The end product is pyruvate, which enters the Krebs cycle. The glucose gets converted into fructose, and with the help of enzymes, the isostructures, the phosphoglycerate, and finally the pyruvate is formed. In aerobic conditions, the pyruvate is non-lactate, and in aerobic conditions, the system is lactate. In the case of anaerobic sports like swimming, lactate may produce and can get deposited in the muscles, and this can cause muscle fatigue. For racing athlete, it will nearly take 1.3 to 1.6 to cover 100 meters. The oxidative system. This is a cycle stage energy production system which takes place inside the mitochondria of the cell. This process is known as the Krebs cycle or the citric acid cycle. This cycle is known as the citric acid cycle because the first stable product produced here is a citric acid. Carbohydrates, fats are the main sources of energy which get converted into ATP and pyruvate. Pyruvate get converted into acetyl coenzyme A and producing citric acid or the citrate. This cycle repeats twice in order to produce 2 moles of ATP. This system lasts as long as the cycle continues. The ETC system. For the oxidative system to work, certain electrons are required which should be transported inside the mitochondria by the energy utilizing system, known as the ETC systems. This is a series of redox reaction in which electrons are transported from electron donors to the electron recipients. After the event of each system, they produce ATP, FADH and NADH. The ATP-PC system produces 2 moles of ATP. The glycolytic system produces 2 moles pyruvate, 4 mole ATP and 2 NADH. The oxidative system produces 6 mole NADH, 2 mole FADH2 and 2 moles of ATP. The ETS system produces total of 32 moles of ATP. The graphical representation of every systems are given below. That's all for today, folks. If you like our video, please do like, comment, subscribe and leave the bell notification so that you can know when we upload our new videos.